Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Matt back from Toad Sports Pittsburgh. I got 4 boxes of Totally Certified. I know it's been out for a while, but I didn't get a chance to open too much of it when it first came out. I had some other stuff going on, but figured I'd give it a shot now. So let's see. Base. Matt, a rookie. Yeah. Rookie roll call. Vladimir Tarasenko. Base. Rookie. Nick Bjugstad. Blue. Number 27 of 50, John Tavares. Jordan Schroeder, rookie autograph. And Zach Redmond, rookie roll call. Gold, number 23 of 25. This is me trying to get my thing to see if I can get the autofocus to work. Kinda. Yeah, close enough. Base. Michael Scarbosa, rookie. And Nicholas Kronwall, jersey. Base. Bo Bennett, rookie. And Ty McGinn, rookie autograph jersey. All right. Box number 2. Base. Philip Forsberg, rookie. And certified competitors, Jimmy Howard, Corey Crawford. Base. Nathan Bordeaux, rookie. And Sean Monahan, game use autograph rookie card. Base. Henrik Sedin, gold, numbered 10 of 25. Rookie Johan Larson. And Anthony Peluso, rookie roll call. Base. Rookie, Morgan Riley. And Sean Horkoff, totally certified. Box number 3. Base. Rookie, Anthony Peluso. And game use autograph, Jared Stahl. I don't know if this camera doesn't like these ones or not. Base. Emerald, 1 of 5. Andrei Markov. Rookie, Rasmus Ristolainen. Nate McKinnon, rookie roll call. Why does autofocus isn't working very well? And Epic, number 36 of 50, Ray Bork. And base. Base. Steven Robis, numbered to 100. Rookie, Sean Monahan. Alexander Barkov, rookie autograph. Sorry. Still trying to get used to this setup I'm using right now. And Antoine Volchenkov, totally certified, numbered 34 out of 50. Jersey card. Right. Base. Nathan McKinnon Gold, rookie, number 20 out of 25. I know it's hard to see on this. There, 20 out of 25. And Ryan Spooner Slideshow, numbered 65 out of 100. Last box. Where I put that back? Base. Jacob Markstrom, rookie. And Paul Coffey, number 32 of 100. Clear cloth. Sorry, I'm just trying to play to see how well this autofocus on this thing works. Base. Luongo, base, not out of 100. Red. Ty McGinn, rookie. Dion Phaneuf auto. And base. Gabriel Landeskog gold, numbered. No, mirror gold, number 2 of 5. Michael Bournival, numbered out of 100. Ruby, I'm guessing. And Mark Howe, totally certified jersey. Last pack. Base. Richard Kent, rookie. And Quentin Howden, number 10 of 50. Red. Rookie jersey auto. Might have to move my living room around to get these things to look better for right now. But, alright. Thanks everybody that watched. I'll put a link to the eBay page in the description if anybody would like any of these cards. The coffee may go into my personal collection, but other than that, everything else will most likely be up for sale. So, if you saw anything you liked, go ahead and check that out. Alright, YouTube. Talk to you later.